S&P, oh, I didn't get a fill. All right. Starting to dip back down into the support zone. 3 minutes or so left on the candle.
Russia's Novak says Russia's compliance to OPEC Plus deal is close to 100%. Crypto fear and greed index 28 out of 100 indicating fear.
Couple zones of interest for the S&P if they want to pulse back up again. Really? Thank you, S&P. Just get me out of that first contract. Beautiful bounce for the first one. See if they can get the second one. It missed it by a tick and then fiddle danked around. I hate it when it does that. It's like, just give me the fill. Come on. Back to break even with bulls demonstrating support on the break even point. 2 minutes 20 left, looking for the bulls to close this candle back to the upside. So it should be able to make it back up to the 56 quarters before the end of the candle.
Russia's Novak says lots of uncertainties, including the Omicron spread, remain on the global oil market. Novak says we see recovery in oil product demand.
Nice little add on that dip. Secondary portion now 53 halves or so back up. Minute and a half left on the candle. All right, S&P, fine. I'm going to dump the S&P. I'm not getting the follow through in the last minute that I wanted to. I really wanted this last minute to step up to the plate and hit the gas pedal to the upside, and they're not. I wanted this to close as a bull bar back up. There's just they're not getting the job done. Yeah, and it just makes more sense to jump ship on the S&P. You know, if the buyers are going to dip buy in and they're going to reload back down here, more power to them, but it's not getting it done for me. So I'll take it off there. Good enough.